Hello, we'll have a quick revision of coordinating function of logistics. Now, what is coordinating function of logistics? Logistics department is entrusted with the responsibility of ensuring that the entire process of logistics is maintained and developed in accordance with the goals and objectives of the business and in economical economically, basically. The tasks of logistic department involve storage, distribution, warehousing, movement of goods from one place to another. It in tracking and delivery of goods. It includes complete process of planning, managing, controlling, coordinating to make sure that the goods reach the right place, the right time for the right costs and in the right condition. Generic function of the logistics is making available the required quantity of products at the point of use and when required at the least possible cost. Basically, coordination means that all the process owners in the chain have full understanding of their roles and all the functions are linked through an operational plan. That means there is an operational plan, all of them understand that and they know that, all the people in the chain. Effective coordination depends upon acquisition, transmission and process of information. Lack of coordination in logistics and supply chain leads to deterioration of services and increase in the cost with supply chains. So coordination is necessary for logistics and supply chain. So the coordination can be achieved at two levels: interfunctional coordination and intercorporate coordination. Now we first see the interfunctional coordination, where there are various functional departments in the organization like marketing, production, then sales, HR. There has to be coordination between each and every department, which with the logistics, that is management of transportation of various things. So the procurement department also should be coordinating, and the sales department should be coordinating with the logistic department. So production department, warehousing department, all these departments need to coordinate within the organization. Now, which is the second important thing is intercorporate coordination. Now there might be number of corporation or the firms which are involved in the logistic process. The logistic process consists of procuring certain things. Procuring means there has to be some relation with the suppliers. So the suppliers of the raw materials, they need to coordinate with the core organization which is producing the product. Then the capital equipment people, they also need to coordinate with this team. Then there is the coordination which is required of the distributors. Then the coordination required of the transporters, the coordination required of the people who supply the spare parts, the capital equipment, access of capital equipment. Apart from this, the coordination is required of the distributors, retailers and wholesalers. Now this is called intercorporate coordination, which is required while we are doing logistic management. So in order to understand both these functions properly, we must first understand the basic logistic function of the logistic management. Uh, the basic functions of logistics are procurement function, then production function, then distribution function, then there are some miscellaneous functions. Let us see the procurement functions. That is, we are to ensure that raw materials, the spare parts and the other components come in and in the right quantity. Input needs has to be seen, source has to be studied, quality of the material has to be studied, negotiation with the suppliers have to be done, order has to be placed, and the shipment transportation of the goods from the supplier to the manufacturer has to be done. Now this is a part of procurement function. After procurement, when the things come up in the organization, they need to be handled, stored, the movement in the shop floor from the manufacturing from the storing process to the manufacturing process. This all is called in these functions are known as inbound logistics, uh, or traditionally called material management. Traditionally, the companies used to procure input materials from large number of suppliers in bulk quantities. In quality inspection and checking were made at the company storage end, but the modern logistic has changed. The new companies purchase high quality goods, reliable and quality certified vendors are there always, and they procure the substances in small quantities on a continuous basis. Delivery directly to the manufacturer site by the suppliers is done. So this kind of approach has been there in the inbound logistics. Now activities are make or buy, vendor selection, quality specifications, vendor service capabilities, vendor company relationship, and procurement cost. Now production function. Apart from this production function, we have what are the inputs, the material handling, the production schedule, the packaging, the storage and inventory management. All this comes in the production function. A production function may also be called as a manufacturing function or operational function. The primary task of the production function of the logistics is to establish and maintain an orderly and smooth economic flow of material, facilitating total production system, avoiding idle time for any manufacturing facility due to non-availability of raw material. So this is important. Then we have physical distribution or outbound logistics. Outbound logistics means the distributors, the retailers, the wholesalers, which are coming in path. So physical distribution function includes all the function of movement, handling of the goods, particularly transportation services, trucking, air freight, rail freight, inland ways, waterways, marine shipment, etc. Pipelines, maybe transshipment, warehousing, protective packaging. Physical distribution function includes output inventory, transportation, distribution, warehousing, order processing, protective packaging, and the customers above all. Now, apart from this, there are other functions of the logistics, which may be the department ensures that the goods are reached in time in the safe condition at the right place. It also serves as a middleman between the organization and the vendor, and carries out track down the geographical locations of the goods, and thereby providing the customer the support as to where their goods are, ensuring all the requirements of the customer are met in time in an efficient and safe manner. It also tries to coordinate with the third party logistics. It ensures that there is safe and timely dispatch of goods, to draft plans, policies, procedures for successful implementations of logistic systems, to ensure that the business goals of the organizations are synchronized with the logistics system, to create and maintain customer support, to maintain coordination with the vendors, service providers, and transport carriers, to ensure that no fraud is committed, to ensure timely supply and payment of goods, and reduce the inventories. Thus, it can be rightly concluded that logistic department does plays an important role in ensuring the delivery of goods, and therefore rightly considered as an integral part of modern day organization. And it for this, a lot of coordination is required within the organization and outside the organization with all the people who are involved in the supply chain. uh, Saying thank you. This is all about the coordinating function of logistics.